tickle. Are your feet ticklish? Ticklish? Hey, ticklish, ticklish. What is it? Whoa! Yeah! That was a good one. That was a good one. Yeah. Oh, your feet are ticklish. I'm tickling them feet. I'm tickling them feet. I'm gonna tickle them feet. That was a good one. What is it, huh? What you looking at? You tickle my feet? I'm tickling my feet some more. Woo! Tickle. Whoa. Caleb. You gonna
He'll
talk to
stick
some more?
his tongue out at you.
Hey, you gonna stick your tongue out at me? Say, Caleb, hey, look at me. Is that funny to you? Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa. Big boy.
Okay, look at me. Say, can you stick your tongue out? Hey. Caleb. Whoa! Ooh, I see you. I see you. Hey, can you look at me again? You can stick your tongue out?
He did it.
Hey, you see your tongue out at me? Yeah. Oh, Caleb. Is that funny?
Sweet pumpkin. Hey, sweet pumpkin. Look at you.
You gonna do it? You were doing a minute ago. Whoa! What? What is it? What? What are you doing? You gonna stick your tongue out at me? Huh? Or you trying to, aren't you? You thinking about it? Whoa!
Look at those feet. Look at you go, Caleb. Whoa,
What
look at
Are
you
getting
go.
Excited? Are you getting excited? Huh?
Kicking those legs.
I see.
Daddy's funny,
Am
huh?
I funny looking to you?
Daddy funny.
Am I funny looking to you? Huh? Do you think I look funny? Is that why you laugh at me? Is that why you laugh at me? Huh?